sa aming magiging first apartment here in St. John. So, I'm not sure kung naririnig yung nag-e-echo kasi bare talaga yung nakuha naming apartment. So, wala siyang, hindi siya furnished and meron lang siyang mga yung basic major appliance na included. So, gusto ko sana kayong i-tour sa kung anong itsura ng aming magiging first apartment. Although yun nga, wala pa siyang gamit, hindi pa siya furnished, and i-furnish ko pa lang siya. So, I'm still planning on kung ano yung mga furniture and appliances na dadalhin ko here in my new apartment. So, tara, i-tour ko kayo. This is the kitchen. So, may kasama naman siyang stove. And then, meron niyang working oven. Meron din siyang, anong tawag dito? Parang exhaust. So, natin. Ayan yung exhaust niya. And ito yung light naman. So, para pag nagkukook ka dito, kitang-kita po yung niluluto mo. Tapos, maganda yung mga cabinets niya. This one, so malaki. Maluwag siya. Ayan. Actually, tuloy-tuloy yata siya. So, there. And then, on this side naman is the ref. So, yung ref natin, ayan. So, freezer. So, kasama to. The ref and the stove ay kasama na dito sa rent ng apartment. So, yung mga drawers, cabinets, ayan. So, nice naman yung mga cabinets niya. Oh, napo-pull out pa siya. So, it's very functional naman yung pagkaka-build no kitchen niya. So, medyo small lang yung kitchen pero it's right naman for a small family. Yan. Okay. So, actually, yung kanina, pagpasok natin dyan sa door, yan yung door. And then, dito sa right side, merong parang closet. So, yan. So, usually, dito ilalagay, ayan yung jacket ko. Pero usually, dyan ilalagay yung mga jacket, coats, and then yung mga shoes sa baba. Para pagpasok ng door, iwan na lang siya dito. So, dito sila lahat nakastore. So, for a small family, okay na rin itong ganitong closet. So, ano lang siya, parang yun, usually kasi dito pagkapasok mo, may iwanan talaga ng mga gamit, mga coats and all. Ayan. So, that's the first parang closet. Next naman here on your right is a small, there. So, a small cabinet ulit or pantry. Pwede siyang pantry. So, if you have goods, mga groceries, ayan, maganda siyang ilagay dito. Okay? So, para lahat magiging organized siya. Okay. So, next. So, pagka-enter doon, diba kanina, nandito yung kitchen. And then, if you go straight here, meron dito small area. Meron ditong area. I think this is good for a dining. So, yan. Maganda yung windows niya. Very bright. So, hindi madilim yung itsura here. Ayan. So, yan. So, dito, you can have parang dining set. Para medyo malapit sa kitchen. Or actually, kahit ano, pwede naman yung dining din doon. So, there. So, balik tayo sa entrance. So, pagpasok mo, meron ditong first door. So, yung first door na to is a storage. So, extra storage siya. Maliit siya na room. Teka, buksan natin ang light. Ayan. O, diba? Parang authentic yung Parang antique pala yung ilawan. So, ayan. It's a mini storage. So, maganda rin siyang taguan ng kalat and all. So, we'll see. Actually, pwede nga siyang If you're working from home, I think this is a nice place. A small room. Para siyang meeting room eh. Oh. Diba? So, konting decor lang siguro dito. Okay na siya. Alright? So, that's the first door. So, next naman, ayan. So, dito, ito yung bigger area ng apartment. So, this can serve as your living room or your family room. So, yeah. Maluwag naman siya. There's the heater. As I said, maganda yung lighting niya. It's very bright. Ayan. Okay. Tapos here, meron ditong intercom. So, sa intercom, if ever na may kumatok doon sa main part ng building, you can talk to the courier or delivery man. You can listen, and then you can open the door remotely from here. Yung doon sa front ng building. So, yeah. Okay? So, next naman here is, sige, dito muna tayo sa left. The left one is the master's bedroom. Ayan. Ayan mo nagawa dito. So, yan. Maganda rin siya. Very bright. It's a nice, size for a bedroom. Tapos, meron din siyang closet here. Ayan. So, I think with some organizing cubes or cabinet, okay na rin siya for mga clothes and things. Okay. Okay. So, ang next naman natin na room is the second room, or ito yung pwedeng kids room. Uy, ang bright. So, there's a small window there. Meron din siyang sariling closet here. And it's a very nice sized room naman din for kids. Yan. So, pwede, I think, actually kahit double or queen, I think kasha siya dito. Medyo maliit lang yung magiging daanan, but kasha naman yung bed here. Tapos, pwede rin, bunk bed. Diba? Para, pwede for 2 kids. Ayan. And then, we'll go to the next room, which is, this one is the bathroom. Okay? Okay, so there. Hi! So, yan. Ayan ang ating sink. There's a mirror. Kasama naman na yan. There's a toilet. And there's the bathtub with the shower. So, yan. Maganda din kasi may mga fixtures na siya sa gilid where you can put your toiletries. Diba? So, yan. So, yan. Kailangan pa talaga siyang i-decor. So, kung kailangan ng shower curtains, kailangan ng, ano yun? Yung top shelf dito sa toilet. Yan. Pwede nilagay dyan. Okay? So, yun. Okay, so, balik na tayo dito sa main living area. So, yun mga kalakwatsa. Yun na ang ating tour ng ating small apartment here in St. John. So, yun nga, if ever, kasi hindi naman ako nagmadali on finding my own apartment here. Kasi I want to get then a nice location, a nice deal, syempre yung affordable and sustainable for us to live in. So, hindi ako nagmadali hanggang sa nakita ko na tong apartment na to. So, yung location niya, it's a very quiet and maganda yung paligid. I think it's also family friendly. Wala siya sa main city. Dun sa parang uptown. Kasi before, di ba, nasa uptown ako. So, malayo siya dun. But, yun nga, maganda yung ambience ng environment dito. It's very quiet. It's very serene. And I think maganda talaga yung place for building a family. So, yun. Dun sa mga nag-a-ask, this apartment is actually, ano na yung kasama? So, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. Kasama na all utilities. So, isa yon sa mga nagustuhan ko here sa landlord na to, dito sa property owner na to. Kasi, minsan bihira yung kasama yung all utilities na. Bakit bihira? And bakit kailangan na all utilities kasama na? Kasi usually, pag winter time, and mataas yung consumption mo sa heat kasi it's winter nga. So, ayun, mas malaki yung babayaran mo if hindi ka naka all utilities included sa iyong nire-rent na place. Kaya, yun din. Kaya naghanap talaga ako ng all utilities na maganda yung location. So, ano ba yung mga utilities na kasama? So, electricity, the heat. So, yun. Yung heat is for the room temperature as well as yung hot water. Ayan. Tapos kasama na rin yung water. And, in addition, dito sa place na to, kasama pa yung Wi-Fi. So, may kasama siyang basic na Wi-Fi. So, if hindi naman ganun kalaki yung bandwidth na kailangan nyo in terms of using the internet, so, I think, okay na yung kasama dito na Wi-Fi dito sa rent na to. So, ayan. Sa mga nagtatanong, magkano ba yung rent ko dito? So, this is a month-to-month lease. And the rent for this place is only 995 Canadian dollars. That's all in, all utilities, and then the place itself for the month. So, kung pag-aaralan mo mabuti, kung i-research mo rin mabuti, sobrang good deal na siya for a starting family, for an individual, or maybe for a couple. The 995 with the utilities is really nice deal na. So, kaya ginrab ko na rin yung opportunity na, okay, sige, I found a place, and ayun, kinuha ko na yung apartment. So, yun. I hope that you enjoyed my small tour of the apartment. So, actually, sana sa next tour ko sa inyo, may laman na yung apartment. So, yun. Hopefully, in the coming days, in the coming weeks, makakapag dala na ako ng mga furnitures and mga major appliances here para mas, of course, maging ready na siya to be livable. So, yun, mga kalakwatsa. So, if you have questions, if you have comments, ayan, ilagay nyo lang sa comment section below, and then I'll try to answer the best that I can. So, again, yung mga sinishare ko sa inyo is my personal experience. I'm no expert on this. So, kung ano lang yung experience ko from my day-to-day life, ayan, sinishare ko siya sa inyo. Alright, mga kalakwatsa. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel para ma-update kayo pag may mga bagong videos na i-upload. So again, mga kalakwatsa, see ya!